You got boogers on your face. You gonna look like that when we have 15 subscribers now? What the fuck? For my 15 subscribers. One for each. One for each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. Let me know how I did. Like, share, subscribe. Check out my chicken video. And next time, if you want to see some rice made like this, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at all that steam coming out. Stupid iPhone doesn't even catch the steam. And this is the chicken I made with the rice that I made and some seasoning I got. It's this one right here. I recommend it. If you can't remember it, I remember it because if it's ever your birthday in Japan, you get free kake. Today's Friday. Don't forget your vitamins.